Good afternoon. I am just getting off work, as per usual. I am going to need to pick up the car from the mechanic. Got an oil change, and there's some other stuff that will need to be worked on later, like replace the catalytic converter, but for now it's okay. So it's only going to be $40, which is pretty great. So Blackmagic Design announced their new Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. Now, I own the original Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera, and I love it, but this camera is going to need to become a vlog camera. I haven't really played with the Blackmagic as a vlogging camera just because of the design. It's really designed to be more of a studio camera, the original one. So my main concern is going to be image stabilization, being handheld. So I'm thinking if I re-rig the original with some of the stuff that I have, I can test to see how usable the footage is handheld. Now, I do have a lens that has optical image stabilization, so I'll be using that, but I shake. And so that's the only main concern I have. So tomorrow, I am planning on using that camera as a vlog camera for a day. Now, you have to understand the menu system on the original camera is pretty terrible. It will take a lot more time to set up shots, but the main thing that I'm looking at is how usable the footage is once it's already recording, because the new camera has fixed all the UI issues that I had with the original Pocket Cinema camera, and also the battery issues and the audio issues. So I think it will be an amazing camera for it, as long as I am conscious of putting it on sticks, and yeah, mainly just I want to see how well I can stabilize the original with the same lens, because I'll be using this lens for that camera. And since it's going to be the same image stabilization, I can kind of run tests right now. The crop factor is a lot less, so I'll get a lot wider angle from the second generation Pocket Cinema camera than the original as well. So I'll take that into account. So mainly I just want to see what it's like to shoot a vlog style video with a professional camera with mostly manual settings, and just kind of play around with what that's like. It's going to be super inconvenient because I have to rig it out, the original, with a battery, with audio, and that type of thing. So it's going to be kind of huge, but it will allow me to really get a feel for the image, what I need to do in post-production. And so tomorrow is going to be an experiment of sorts, of how I can use this camera to see if it's something that I'd like to use, knowing the features of the new camera, how well it will work for me. Because if it's not going to work for vlogging, and it's not going to work for what I mostly use a camera for, then I probably shouldn't get it. But I think it will work. So let's try it out tomorrow. So this is the original Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera that I'm going to try to vlog with tomorrow, because really I want to test the lens stabilization and kind of go from there. But it should be fun. It'll be a good experiment, because the new camera, I wouldn't need this or this and would be able to just have the camera. But this is audio, power solution, going from there. Well, as always, I'm gonna make some tea and then head to bed. I hope you are having a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.